Welcome back, everybody. It's been a couple of days, but we're sitting out here at the shop. There's my bike. But we are going to be working on cleaning up that beautiful KTM. We actually have some races this weekend. So today I'm going to clean the bike up, change the oil, clean the filter. Just do some maintenance on it and get her ready for this weekend. Other than that, I'm going to actually do some diagnostic work on the RAV4 while I'm cleaning also. So stay tuned. So welcome back. We're working on this little RAV4 right now. Like my prop rod, it's part of my broom. Runs fine. And then it just starts running like shit.